So this landscape now looks pretty good, but we can make it even better. Because if you look closely, you see all the dust pretty much have the same color. In reality, there should be some color variation in the dust as well. And that's something we call the macro variation. And if you go to the color section of the material nodes, you can see we have 3 macro variation nodes. And let me pull in the macro variation 3 node, and I can connect the color output of the quick dirt and connect it to the base color of the macro variation. And you see we have a nice variation going on. But I think the details are a little bit too big, so I'm gonna make them smaller. And I will also control the color of the variation a little bit. And down here we can control the spread of the noise and the sharpness of the noise. And down here we have the opacity of the noise. Alright, since we are manipulating the color of the quick dirt, we can no longer use this shader, but instead we need to create our own shader. So create a principal shader and connect this to the base color. And then connect the roughness output of this node to this node. And then open up the specularity and connect the specular IOR level to the input of the principal shader. And finally, connect the normal output here. And this is the new dirt layer. This is the old dirt layer. This looks somewhat more interesting, right? And look here, we have some variation in the colors. This is boring. This is more interesting, right? And we can do the same thing for the quick rock shader. So I'm gonna do one real quick. Let's just pull in the macro variation 1 node and connect the color in here, and let's have a look. And again, I think the details are a little too big, so I'm gonna lower the detail size. That's better. And I think the variation color should be something else. Let's try something like that. Alright, and again we need to create a new shader. So create a principal shader and connect the parameters over. And so we have the new rock shader. This is the old rock shader. It's nice, but compared to this one is nicer. And then we will replace this like so. So you see, this is a lot better than before.